Hi everyone, I'm Sharina Azim binti Samad. My student ID is 8306010862020001. This video is for my subject OUMH 2203 English for Workplace Communication about Leadership Training Program. Hi, good afternoon, esteemed board members. I hope you are all doing well today. My name is Sharina Azim binti Samad, and I am honored to present this report as the Director of the Business and Development Department at Nestle Company. So today, I am pleased to share with you the success of our recent leadership training program, which was designed specifically for our middle management staff. This program was developed to address key workplace challenges and enhance the leadership capabilities of our managers. The leadership training program was carefully designed to strengthen the leadership skills of our middle management team. The main objective of this program were to first, improve leadership competency and decision-making skills. Number two, enhance communication and teamwork across departments. And number three, equip manager with strategy to handle workplace challenges effectively. The training was conducted over a period of 3 days per week and featured expert lead sessions, case studies, and interactive workshops. We were honored to have Ms. Kavita Rajendra Prasad, Head of Talent, Learning and Organizational Development at Nestle Malaysia and Singapore, who lead talent management, learning and development, as well as diversity and inclusion, share her valuable insights with our participants. A total of 45 managers from different departments attend, and I'm pleased to report that the participation rate was over 90%, showing a high level of engagement. Now, let's take a look at the impact of this program. Based on post-training assessments, we saw a remarkable 30% increase in leadership confidence among the participants. Many managers reported feeling more equipped to handle workplace challenges and lead their teams effectively. One of the most significant achievements was the improvement in collaboration across departments. Managers are now applying what they have learned to resolve conflicts, communicate more effectively, and build stronger team dynamics. We also gathered feedback from participants, and I like to share one inspiring comment from a manager who attended the training. They said, "This program gave me practical strategies to lead my team with confidence. I now feel more prepared to handle challenges and motivate my team to perform better." Additionally, within 2 weeks after the training, 70% of participants reported applying their new leadership skills in real workplace situations, demonstrating immediate impact. While training was highly successful, we also encountered some challenges. One of the key issues was scheduling conflicts, as some participants had to balance their workload with the training sessions. To address this, we ensure flexible sessions timing and provide recorded material for review. Another challenge was the balance between virtual and in-person training. Some participants preferred face-to-face interaction, while others found online session more convenient. Moving forward, we plan to introduce a blend learning approach, combining the best of both virtual and in-person training. In conclusion, the leadership training program was a great success, and we have already seen positive changes within our management teams. The program has strengthened our middle managers' leadership skills, improved collaborations, and enhanced workplace efficiency. As the next step, we recommend expanding this program to junior manager and senior leaders to ensure leadership excellence at all levels of the organization. Additionally, we propose implementing a mentoring program where experienced leaders can guide new managers in their leadership journey. With your continued support, we look forward to driving even greater success in leadership development within our company. Thank you for your time and attention. I appreciate your support and I look forward to your feedback and recommendation. Have a great day. Bye.